Here we are at the Kendeda Center for Innovative Design and Architecture in Atlanta, Georgia. This is a Living Building Challenge project. We're going to take a look inside and see our water system. We're going to kind of check out the place. Hey everybody. Our rainwater system is actually downstairs. We'll be checking that out in a minute. But we have to go see the other pre-filter for our system. We are looking out into the courtyard. Let's look upstairs. Up there, there's a DN200 8-inch filter for the other part of the rooftop. And right below this floor here is actually the cistern. And you can see here, we have a manway to get into that cistern. Look at this. Kendeda Building for Innovative, Sustainable Design, Potable Water. Here we are in the basement of the Kendeda Building. We're going to see the rainwater system in action. This concrete wall is the wall of the cistern. So water comes out of the cistern, goes through our transfer pumps. There's our transfer pump control panel. From there, water's pumped through treatment over through a sediment filter. This is very similar to the Gulf State system. I'll tell you what the differences are. And we go through carbon filtration, finer filter, it's called the turbidity filter, our charged membrane filter, which does some disinfection, and then followed by our UV, which is all controlled at our touchscreen panel with Siemens PLC control. That's our upgrade from our last project. We do have pH control with just simple soda ash and pH measurement. We're at 9.3 right now. We're currently not chlorinating. We're hopeful that we test out positive and don't have to chlorinate the water because of the known hazards of chlorination. And from there, the treated water is put into a tank for use. Let's have a quick run through the Kendeda potable rainwater system. So this concrete wall is the cistern. So water comes out of there. We pump it through our treatment. There's our transfer pump. Through filtration, sediment filtration, carbon, turbidity filter, charged membrane filter, the same as the Gulf State project. UV. What is different is now we have a touchscreen controller that reports data so you can know how the system's running at all times remotely. We're controlling pH. We're not chlorinating, which is great. We hope to test positive, not have to chlorinate. Then the water just goes over to a buffer tank where it's stored for use. They're actually using only about 200 gallons per day, but it's supplying all the water for the entire building. Here at the Kendeda Center, they're setting up for some big reception, celebrating the building. Let's take a walk. This is right at the entrance into the building. The first thing you see when you look up is a Purane DN300. There's the diversion valve. This is a 12-inch filter right at the entrance to the building.